This almond flour cake turns out really moist and tender. I love that it tastes amazing while still keeping the carbs low. Perfect for when you want something sweet and delicious without breaking your diet. First, add full-fat, unsweetened Greek yogurt to a mixing bowl. Then, add 3 large eggs to the bowl with the yogurt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then, using an electric mixer, beat all the wet ingredients together until everything looks well combined and smooth, as you can see in the video here. Next, add 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil to the wet ingredient mixture. You can also use butter instead if you prefer. Then give everything another good mix until all the wet ingredients are well combined and smooth. Now, add 2 cups of blanched almond flour to the wet ingredients, then add low-calorie sweetener, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and give it a good mix with a spatula until everything is well combined and no dry spots remain. Next, pour the cake batter into your greased loaf pan. You could also line the loaf pan with parchment paper if you want to make it easier to remove the cake later, but greasing works fine too. Bake the almond cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. You will know the cake is done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. This almond cake is really moist with a nice light texture. It tastes like almonds, but not too strong. The sweetness is just right, not too much. It feels like regular cake, not dense or dry like most low-carb desserts. If you like this low-carb almond flour cake recipe, then check out this healthy, flourless, sugar-free cake recipe here also. Check it out now!